From glam to calm, transforming your beauty ritual with mindfulness. Introduction. In our fast-paced world, beauty is about more than appearance, it's about feeling good. Integrating mindfulness into our beauty routines elevates self-care from mere rituals to rejuvenating experiences, enhancing both our outer glow and inner calm. Why it matters. With growing awareness of mental health, many seek beauty routines that support emotional wellness alongside physical appearance. Research shows that mindful beauty rituals can reduce stress and boost self-esteem, making them essential in our daily lives. This trend also reflects a demand for ingredient transparency, as consumers want to know what they apply to their skin. Key insights. 1. Ingredient awareness. Understanding your beauty products fosters a deeper connection. Opt for natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and green tea, which are effective and gentle on the skin. 2. Mindful application. Slow down during your routine. Engage your senses by noticing textures and scents, transforming your regimen into a meditative experience. 3. Holistic approach. Combine external beauty with internal wellness. Incorporate practices like facial massages or jade rolling to enhance product absorption and promote relaxation. Practical steps. 1. Simplify your routine. Choose a few high-quality, natural products that suit your skin type and values. 2. Create a calm environment. Designate a peaceful space for your beauty routine. Dim the lights, play soft music, and minimize distractions. 3. Practice mindfulness. As you apply each product, take deep breaths and focus on the sensations to enhance your experience. Common mistakes to avoid. Overloading on products. More isn't always better. A cluttered routine can irritate the skin. Ignoring ingredients. Always read labels and avoid harsh chemicals that disrupt your skin's balance. Rushing the process. Mindfulness takes time. Resist the urge to hurry through your routine. Conclusion. Transforming your beauty ritual from glam to calm can enhance both your appearance and overall well-being. By being mindful of ingredients and intentions, you can create a self-care sanctuary. Ready to embrace a mindful beauty routine? Start today and share your journey with us. Ingredient Spotlight. Unlocking the secrets of wellness in your makeup. Introduction. Welcome back. Today, we explore the intersection of beauty and mindfulness, revealing how the right makeup ingredients can enhance both your appearance and well-being. Why it matters. As consumers become more aware of makeup's impact on skin and mental health, choosing products that align with our values is crucial. Mindful beauty is about feeling good inside and out. Key insights. 1. Ingredient transparency. Brands are increasingly transparent about their ingredients. Knowing what's in your products allows you to avoid harmful chemicals. 2. Natural alternatives. Ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and green tea not only beautify but also soothe and heal, turning your routine into self-care. 3. Mindful application. The application process can elevate your mood. Enjoying a calming facial massage or a thoughtful makeup routine fosters mindfulness. Practical steps. 1. Research ingredients. Familiarize yourself with common makeup components. Look for natural, cruelty-free, or sustainably sourced options. 2. Choose mindfully. Opt for products that prioritize wellness, featuring beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid and antioxidants. 3. Practice mindfulness. Treat your beauty routine as self-care. Incorporate calming music or aromatherapy to enhance the experience. Common mistakes. Ignoring labels. Always read ingredient labels to avoid harmful substances. Overloading on products, less is more. Focus on quality rather than quantity to maintain a mindful routine. Conclusion: by adopting mindful beauty practices and being aware of ingredients, we can transform our makeup routines into empowering acts of self-care. Next time you reach for your favorite products, remember to choose wisely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your go-to mindful beauty products in the comments. Mindful beauty, crafting a conscious routine for radiant skin. Introduction: in a fast-paced world of shifting beauty trends, it's vital to focus on what truly nurtures our skin. Transform your beauty routine into a self-care ritual that enhances your appearance and uplifts your spirit. Let's explore how to create a mindful beauty routine that promotes radiant skin through ingredient awareness and holistic wellness. Why it's important. As we navigate modern life's complexities, the significance of mental health and self-care becomes clearer. Mindfulness practices can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. By adopting a beauty routine that emphasizes ingredient transparency and wellness, we align with a global movement toward holistic living, empowering informed choices and deepening our connection with the products we use. Main insights: 1. Ingredient consciousness: understand what you apply to your skin. Many products contain harmful chemicals. Opt for brands that disclose their ingredients and prioritize natural, organic elements. 2. Mindful application: the application process is as crucial as the products themselves. Enjoy the ritual of applying makeup, using techniques like deep breathing to enhance the experience. 3. Holistic skin care: a mindful beauty routine encompasses cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and targeted treatments. Tailor your regimen to your skin's specific needs, promoting overall well-being. Practical steps: 1. Assess your products. Review your beauty items for clean, recognizable ingredients. Consider brands that emphasize sustainability and ethical sourcing. 2. Create a ritual. Dedicate a few minutes daily to your beauty routine. Light a candle or play soft music to enhance the experience. 3. Stay educated. Continuously learn about your skin type and suitable ingredients.